How am I going to review my brand new Black & Decker alligator lopper properly with these little tripods? Fortunately, I have the new Vicseed 67-inch tripod. Welcome back, guys. So I am visiting my parents for the holidays. Obviously, I'm not able to bring my favorite tripod with me because I use a carry-on luggage. I don't want to pay for the hefty luggage fees. But fortunately, I decided to purchase another tripod so I can use it in my parents' house whenever I visit. So this is the Vicseed brand holder tripod stand. Make your life simple. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox it. So I have experience testing out Vicseed brand, such as their dashboard mount phone holder, and I think also another tripod. Make sure you have the manual for the tripod and also for the remote control. This goes assembled on top of the tripod, which acts as a swivel or for your DSLR camera, action camera, and this is the cell phone holder, which adjusts to fit virtually any size smartphone, whether it be Android or iPhones. And this is the battery that comes with the remote control. I'm not going to go into detail how you use this. It's very simple. Basically, you insert the battery and pair your phone, and you can use your phone with the tripod to take pictures or video anywhere. And this is the extendable shaft which goes on the tripod. The main part is in here, and it comes with a nice nylon carry bag which you can take with you anywhere on the go. And here is the main tripod. Alright, so the main tripod itself is made of aluminum. And when you have all these parts connected, it's going to weigh in at a lightweight 0.88 kilograms or 1.94 pounds. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is to insert this extendable rod into the main tripod body, and then see the line right there, fit it here, and then I'm going to insert the swivel which screws on. Okay, and then now I'm going to insert the cell phone holder, smartphone holder. This goes on top, and basically we have everything pretty much assembled right here. At its folded state, it measures 18 inches right at where the swivel ends. And here we can admire this extended length of full 67 inches. So here you see, here's proof that it's 67 inches, fully extended all the way to the bottom. Okay, now if you look closely, it is made of aluminum grade, almost airplane quality. It's divided up into sections which you can loosen and tighten with these knobs, or fully extended with these closed caps. So let me go ahead and put my iPhone 7 in here. Alright, so this can extend to fit full-size cameras such as the latest smartphones or notes, different brands. You can swivel to the orientation that you want. If you want it to be 90 degrees, there is an open area right here which you can let you accomplish that. So you can take portrait videos or pictures, switching from portrait to landscape. I prefer to take videos, landscape obviously. Word of caution, you don't want to loosen it too much where you would accidentally pull this out of the whole tripod unit. So there's a divider line which shows you what you should fit. See that? The divider line right here, you don't want to go past that. Because once you go past that, you will accidentally disassemble it fully like this. Now I can use it as the selfie stick. We look at this. I'm so happy now I finally have a full-size tripod with me to use whenever I go visit my parents. Easily extending from 24 inches up to a whopping 67 inches or 170 centimeters. Now I can get the proper unboxing and product reviews.